yako. Iko kazi inaendelea na utakuja kuiona.
Thank you. Asante.
Yes.
Do you have faith in the selection panel to make an independent decision?
I think you have
Let
that.
us see it first.
You have to.
Well, for now, whether or not we have faith is actually overtaken by events. That's why we are watching. You see, the process that we went through, for example, to get included only one name of Ambassador Kokimoli, the kind of mud we were dragged through. And we said we cannot afford to wait. Let us see the product they come up with. And you know, the principle of consultation and concurrence will apply at the level when they have forwarded the 9 names to the president. Okay? Sorry, sorry, Njiru. I might actually give him the floor. That is when the principle of consultation and concurrence will apply, because 2 names will be taken to President William Ruto for selection as the chair of Iebc. Now that is where then they must consult with us. And another, is it 9 names? Yeah, 9 names will be sent to him for selection of 6 as Iebc commissioners. Again, we must be involved. Umesikia kwa mfano hapa, huyu mama aitwa Joy Medivo, kwa mfano. Yeye uhakika hawezi akiingia huyo kama mwenyekiti, kwa mfano, huyo ni Ruto. Ruto kabisa. Hatuwezi. Jameni, Wani Chebukati was good enough at the time. We can't afford it. And the country cannot afford it. And the future generations are now saying, kipindi hiki, safari hii, ni Wakenya wajikomboe. Yes, sir.
So can you say the constitution of IEBC now hangs in limbo?
No. Yeah, that's a very quick conclusion. Yeah, mother told you, hatukai kitako. And yet we don't want to delay the process, because we're also aware William Ruto may want this thing prolonged mpaka ikimaliza 2026, waseme songesha uchaguzi to 2032. It will not happen. Thank you.
Asanteni sana. I think that is enough for today.